Namaste, friends. The controversy is on the rise regarding the mosque that is being built in Beldanga, Murshidabad of West Bengal. The mosque is being named Babri Masjid, is not the only reason behind the controversy, but there are more important points to ponder on regard pertaining to this particular mosque, which is being built by the TMC MLA Humayun Kabir, who's recently been expelled from the party apparently. However, the political analysts and the opinion makers still believe that Humayun Kabir is working on behalf of TMC, and he is pursuing his political project, communal agenda from his own platform, because it was difficult at this moment, at this point of time. It was difficult for him to carry forward his communal agenda from the platform of TMC, and hence, for the requirement and for the ease of operation, he has separated himself from the TMC platform and pursuing the communal agenda in consolidating the Muslim votes of Bengal, the consolidating the mm, minority votes. But consolidation of the minority votes doesn't seem to be the single point agenda of Humayun Kabir on behalf of TMC. As per as my observation suggests, that the symbolism and the optics behind his politics and the construction of a mosque in the very point of Beldanga, which is very near to the Bangladesh border. And Beldanga is a place where the Bangladeshi infiltrators come and stay, because it is just out of the BSF's 50 kilometers from the border. It is just out of the BSF's jurisdiction. So Beldanga is a place where the Bangladeshi infiltrators come and settle, crossing that 50-kilometer jurisdiction of the BSF. Beldanga is the place where the infiltrators settle in. So Beldanga is strategically an important location. It is the infiltrators' gateway. After entering India, after entering the territory of Bharat, Beldanga is the place where they get stationed. And Humayun Kabir is making a mosque very there is a signal that he is accommodating the infiltrators, is arranging for accommodation of the infiltrators there. The Bangladeshi and the Rohingya infiltrators who would enter the territory of Bharat through Murshidabad. Humayun Kabir and that way TMC is making a place for their accommodation. Babri Masjid can be very well meant for that. And we all know that Babur came as an invader, and he invaded Bharat Bhumi and launched attacks on the Sanskriti of Bharat. So that way also this Babri Masjid is also meant for the invaders, the 21st century invaders of Bharat. The infiltrators are, there's no wrong in calling the infiltrators as invaders and infiltration as invasion. So we can easily draw an analogy and compare the two phenomenon. And this Babri Masjid, if they are, it is meant to accommodate the infiltrators. So it is also acting in similar spirit to that of Babur, who also invaded and launched attacks on the territory, on the Sanskriti of Bharat. And here also in 21st century, the outsiders are entering the Indian territory and getting accommodated in Beldanga Babri Masjid. So the same spirit of invasion of Babur, it can be found here. There's a similarity if we think really. And there are more important aspects, because we know Murshidabad is a place where there are sleeper cells of very like terrorist organizations, of very many terrorist organizations, like very infamous terrorist organizations like ISIS, and there are Jamaatul Mujahideen Bangladesh, Ansarullah Bangla, and so many others, the Hizbut Tahrir, etc. So different sorts of terrorist organizations have made their sleeper cells there. So very near to them, very near to them, the supply point of Bangladeshi infiltrators at Beldanga and the Babri Masjid. So all points, all these dots, connected, we get a broader picture, which should be a matter it should make a matter of concern to the Indian intelligence and the security authorities. Thank you very much.